How the food you eat affects your brain. What we eat has a direct impact on the brain. This seems obvious. So how does food affect brain function? Here's what we know from recent scientific studies. The brain is made up mostly of fat, and it needs fat from food to survive. If water were squeezed out of the brain, most of its remaining weight would be lipids, fats. The rest is made up of glucose, micronutrients, amino acids and proteins, all of which are foraged and supplemented by the foods we eat. To keep your brain healthy, eat nuts, seeds, and oily fish enthusiastically. Fatty acids found only in these foods help create and maintain new cell membranes. They also help prevent brain degeneration, according to the University of Maryland Medical Center. Food can make it hard to sleep. If you find yourself, wake up like a flute, late at night and drowsy after lunch, it could be because your brain isn't satisfied with what you ate that day. Fatty and heavy foods close to bedtime will keep you awake because they take longer for the body to digest. The caffeine in soft drinks and chocolate will also make it difficult to sleep. Trans fats are extremely bad for the brain. Trans fats, commonly found in fried and processed foods, are harmful to brain health if eaten in excess. Research shows that trans fats can damage memory, and people who eat a lot of them are more likely to have smaller brains. Your brain, and waistline, will be grateful if you limit your intake of these foods. Food can affect mood. Research has suggested a link between improved mood and foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, tryptophan, folate and other B vitamins. Eating fruits, vegetables, foods rich in omega-3s, proteins, complex carbohydrates, and drinking enough water can help make a positive difference in mood and health. To avoid a drop in concentration and mood, skip the high glycemic index carbohydrates like white bread and desserts. They can cause blood sugar in the brain to spike before it drops. Complex carbohydrates like beans and whole grains raise blood sugar at a slower rate, helping the brain to pay more attention and focus.